Hello, kids. Welcome to our Science 1 in Action. This is Teacher Glenn, your teacher in Science Platoon 1. Now, today, I'm gonna teach and share with you our first topic in Unit 1. Are you ready? Okay, very good. Now, take a look. Our topic for today is Ancient Dorian. You can read in Pasatay. Very good. Again, Ancient Dorian. Okay, very good. Now, do you know about Dorian? Wow, some of you are responding, but some of you did not. So, today we are going to learn about what is Dorian. Now, did you see Dorian? Have you eat the fruit of the durian? Wow, very good. Okay, now kids, what is durian in Thai? Can you read the Thai words? Very good. In English, that is durian. Okay. Now, do you know that durian is a fruit which is known as the king of fruits? Why is it that durian is a king of fruits? It is because that durian has a large body, and then durian also is having a rich in flavor. That's why they known as or it known as king of fruits. Now durian also is as what I said a while ago that durian is their fruit is large, and durian is has a hard spines covering with the skin. Okay. Next, durian fruit is oval to round. Did you see the shape of the durian? The, the shape of the durian is some are oval and then some are round, right? And then durian also have a green shell. Did you see the shell? The color is green, right? And then it turns into brown if this is old already or ripe already, right? Now next is the durian have fruit that has color is pale yellow, okay, and then it turns into red. Next, durian has many varieties or species. Now, a lot, many kinds of durian in our surroundings, especially here in Rayon. And then durian is a fruit with a unique smell, very unique smell. Some of us or some children like to smell the durian, but also the children I don't like to smell durian. Okay, so that is durian kids. Okay, so do you know now about durian? Very good. Okay, excellent. Now Next, let us say what are the species of durian in Rayong that we can see. Because in Rayong have a lot of durian, right? Okay, now let us know what are the kinds of durian that we can see in Rayong. First, it's Montong durian. Did you see Montong durian, kids? Montong is a big durian and have a big fruit inside. Next, long stem durian. Okay, again, long stem durian. Next, durian gibbon. We have durian gibbon in Rayong, kids. Next, we have also durian here in Rayong, durian noktak. Noktak. So, we have here in Rayong. And we have also golden button durian. Right? Next is we have durian frog Chinam. Wait, it's frog. Do you know what is frog? Yeah. So it's more in the water, right? You want more water. We have also durian in Fong named Fong Choi Chat. Fong Choi Chat durian. And the last is we have durian Huang Mani. Huang Mani. So these are the durians that we can see here in Rayong. Okay, so do you know what are those durian now in Rayong? First is Montong durian. Second is long stem durian. Number 3 is durian and gibbons. And number 4, durian noktak. And next is golden button durian. And next is durian frog chinam. And then durian tong choi chat. And we have also durian tuang mani. Okay, so those are the durians in Rayong. So kids, durian is one plant that gives us a delicious food to eat. Okay, now do you know what elements and functions a plant has? Now, do you know the parts of the plant, kids? And what are the function of its part? Well, I just want to share a video that will help you to learn what are the parts of the plant and what are the function of its part. Okay, I hope that you are watch and learn from this video attentively so that you can learn what are the parts of the plant. Now this video, kids, will help you to learn about what are the parts of the plant and what are the function of its part. Now we hope that you will watch and learn and enjoy watching from this video.
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Tree. Let us go on a tour around the different parts of me. Before that, let me ask you a question. Do you know why Mr. Ween is not able to blow me away? This is because I have roots underground. My roots help me to anchor myself firmly to the ground. My roots also take in minerals and water from the soil, so I'm able to survive. The water that is taken in by my roots will be transported through the water-carrying tubes in my stem to the different parts of me. Besides that, my stem also supports and keeps me upright. The water that my roots have absorbed will reach my leaves, which will be used together with sunlight and carbon dioxide to make food for myself. This process is called photosynthesis, and this is how I make food. Don't forget about my beautiful flowers, which are my reproductive parts that would develop into fruits after pollination and fertilization. My fruits do not only contain seeds. My fruits are also a common food source for animals and humans. Yum yum! The seeds that are found in my fruits will germinate and form my new baby plants, which I call seedlings. After this tour, I hope you know more about me. See you around, little kid! Thank you for watching this video. If you find that this video was useful, do give us a thumbs up and leave us a note in the comment section below so we know we're on the right track. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click here for more. See you next time!
Hope that you learned something from this video, kids.
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Tree. Let us go on a tour around the different parts of me. Before that, let me ask you a question. Do you know why Mr. Wien is not able to blow me away? This is because I have roots underground. My roots help me to anchor myself firmly to the ground. My roots also take in minerals and water from the soil, so I'm able to survive. The water that is taken in by my roots will be transported through the water-carrying tubes in my stem to the different parts of me. Besides that, my stem also supports and keeps me upright. The water that my roots have absorbed will reach my leaves, which will be used together with sunlight and carbon dioxide to make food for myself. This process is called photosynthesis, and this is how I make food. Don't forget about my beautiful flowers, which are my reproductive parts that would develop into fruits after pollination and fertilization. My fruits do not only contain seeds. My fruits are also a common food source for animals and humans. Yum yum! The seeds that are found in my fruits will germinate and form my new baby plants, which I call seedlings. After this tour, I hope you know more about me. See you around, little kid! Thank you for watching this video. If you find that this video was useful, do give us a thumbs up and leave us a note in the comment section below so we know we're on the right track. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click here for more. See you next time!
So, kids, did you learn something from the video that you have been watching? Well, it's good. Now, this time, let us know what are the ingredients of the durian tree, especially on the characteristics of its part. First is, what is this? Do you know what is this? Yes, very good. This is a durian root, and this root is in where? In or under the ground. So the root is under the ground and hold the trunk, and the root also used to find food and water. So that is the function of the root. What is this, kids? Very good. It's a trunk. This is the trunk of a durian trunk. In Thai? Do it in Thai? Very good. Now, what is the characteristics of the trunk of the durian? Okay. Now, the trunk of the durian is straight, and then have a lot of branches in the surroundings of the trunk, and then the color is gray or reddish brown bark. Next, what is this? Very good. It's a leaf, and that is the durian leaves. Again, can you read it? Durian leaves. Now, durian leaves, kids, is have a brown features on the dark green to dark, and then have green leaves. Underside of the leaves are brown, and the leaves of each variety are different. Now, you know, kids, each variety or each kind of durian have also different color of the leaves. And then this is the leaves of the durian. Next, this is the flower of the durian, a durian flower. Now the durian flower is, the characteristics is have a little bell. Okay, this looks like bell, and the petals are white. And durian have the flower have 5 petals. So that is the characteristics of the flowers of durian. Next, what is this? Yes, it's a fruit of the durian. And you know what is the characteristic of its fruit? Very good. Now, the characteristics of durian fruit is having a spike. This is the spike, kids. Okay. And then have also a thick bark. Thick bark. Or the skin. Very thick. And it's hard to open it. So each variety has different characteristics. And they have also the the effect has different characteristics. Each pole has a durian flesh and a seed inside. The flesh of the durian is champa or light yellowish. Do you see the fruit of the durian inside? What is the color? Yes, it looks like yellow and not so yellow, but it looks uh, a light yellow. So it's so fresh. Okay, and then depending also in the soil, kids, if the soil is good, then the fruit is also good to look. So that is the characteristics of the durian fruit. Now, do you know that the plants have different in shapes? Yes, has different in shape. Okay, now try to observe this plant. What is this plant, kids? This is the banana tree. Oh, very good. Do you like banana tree? Okay. Me too. I like banana tree. So we are all like seem like monkey. Monkey like banana, right? But this banana tree are not the same like this tree. And what is this tree? Oh, this is tamarind tree. Okay. What is tamarind tree in Thai? Well, you can read in Thai, kids, but children cannot read in Thai. But this tamarind tree are not the same like banana tree and look like the shape. Are they the same? Wow, very good. It's not the same. Like, and they have the same having fruits, but they are not the same in the shapes. And they have also the same parts, but they are different in their shapes. So that's how that the differences of the plants or the tree. So kids, we should always remember that plants have different in shapes and characteristics, and then species and species are not the same. Now, what about plant components? Are they still the same? Let us try to observe these two plants that I'm going to show it with you, and then try to compare its component. Now kids, try to look the parts of the banana. Now first is the fruit, right? The fruit is can be able to breed or to reproduce, okay? Reproduce to another uh, banana tree. And then the second one is the flower, right? Look at the flower. What color of the flower is red. And flower can be made into a fruit or can create a fruit. That's why it can also reproduce. Okay. And then the next one is the root. Now the root of the banana is hold the trunk and absorb the food. That is the work of the root of the banana. And then next is the leaf. Now leaf is will create foods for the plant. Okay, so leaves can make food for the plant. Next is the trunk. The trunk will transport the water from the root and then give it to the different parts of the banana like fruits, flowers, and leaves. So that is the function of the parts of the banana. And as well, the characteristics is we have different characteristics, right? And the banana tree is different from other also tree. Okay, so let us look another example of the plants. Next, look at the tamarind tree. Tamarind tree also have fruits, right? The same have fruits, but the shape is different. What about the flower? The flower also can make another can make into a fruit. Okay, and the fruit can make into another tree. And then the root is also the same function. Hold the trunk and absorb the water and food. And the same like leaves. Leaves is also create foods. And the trunk is also transport the water and food. Okay, read it again. Fruit. Very good. Next, flower. Very good. Next, root. Very good. Next, leaves and trunk. Okay, can you point where is the leaves? Very good. Can you point where is the root? Where is the flower, kids? Very good. Excellent. Where is the trunk? Very good. Where is the fruit? Okay, excellent. Now, these are all the parts of the plant. They have the same function but different shapes on its plant. Okay, so kids, How do you summarize the result of the activities that we have today? Have you learned something from these activities? Oh, very good. I cannot hear your response, but I know that you get something or you learned something from this lesson that we have today. Now, kids, we should always remember that almost all plants share the same main ingredients, but their shape and nature may differ. They are not the same in nature and their shape. So we hope that you will enjoy from this lesson that we have today, and keep always watching from this video so that you can familiarize what are the things that we learned today. Okay, so thank you for listening, kids, and enjoy watching from this video again and again. So bye bye.